How to grade an assignment, Part 3, Feedback. Please note that while this video is just about providing feedback, it does not in any way suggest or advise that issuing feedback is a separate aspect of grading. The sole purpose of this video is to make sure that you understand how to provide feedback, but feedback can be provided during simple direct or advanced grading. In this video, we will demonstrate how to provide feedback using feedback types such as feedback comments, comment inline, Annotate PDF, and feedback files. Let's start from the My Courses page. Go to your course page and open the assignment that requires feedback. There are multiple ways of providing feedback that vary depending on the feedback type that was set for the assignment. We will now be discussing them individually. Note that we will cover how to provide feedback using an offline grading worksheet in another video. Link in the description. Number 1. Feedback comments. There are multiple ways that feedback comments can be used. You can provide feedback using feedback comments within the grading window, using quick grading, and while using an offline grading worksheet. To use this feedback type in the grading window, click on Grade to access the grading window. From here, scroll down to the Feedback Comments text editor and insert your feedback. Note that you can choose whether you would like to notify the student by checking the option. You can also click the Reset button if you would like to start fresh. When you are done, click on the option to save. You can click Save Changes or Save and Show Next. To use this feedback type while using quick grading, go to the assignment submissions page and activate quick grading. If you are unsure how to do so, rewatch part 1 of this series where we cover quick grading. Number 2. Feedback comments, comment inline. If this feedback type was set, go to the grading window and scroll down to the Feedback Comments text editor. If the student submitted an online text submission, a copy of their text submission will be placed directly into the text editor. With this you will be able to edit their text and insert your feedback. When you are done, click on the option to save. Number 3. Annotate PDF. On the assignment page, click on Grade. If this feedback type was set, you will be able to provide feedback directly to a copy of the student's submission file using an editor. Keep in mind that this only works if the student submitted a viable PDF file. With this editor, you can rotate the document using the rotation tools. You can add comments using the comment tool. And use the comment color tool to change the highlight color of the comment. You can use the drag tool to maneuver the document. You can use the select tool to shift or delete elements. The comment, for example, is an element that can be affected by the select tool. You can add other elements using tools such as the pen tool, the line tool, the shape tools, and the highlight tool. You can change the color of them using the annotation color tool. You can also use the stamp tool to add stamps, which you can select from the stamp options. With this editor, you can also search for comments with the Search Comments tool and expand and collapse all comments. If the student's submission contains multiple pages, you can navigate through them using the page navigation in the top left corner. When you are done, click on the option to save. Number 4. Feedback files. On the assignment page, click on Grade. If this feedback type was set, you will be able to upload a file as feedback. To do this, scroll down to Feedback Files and click on the Add File button. Next, from the file picker, click on Choose File. Then from the File Handler window, select your file and click Open. Next, click on Upload this file. And once the file has been uploaded, click on Save Changes. That's it for providing feedback. If you are wondering how these feedback types will appear on the student's end, you can watch our video on how feedback is displayed after grading. Link in the description. Now you can provide feedback using feedback types such as feedback comments, comment inline, annotate PDF, and feedback files.